Hi friends, welcome to today's class. This is C.H. Narsaya, Senior Lecturer in English, SG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Today, uh, we are going to discuss about time management. Time, about time, everyone we knows the importance of time, how effectively we use, how it's depend on our success. Everyone has 24 hours, and uh, but those who use properly, consciously, the people will be remain as success. A layman to president of India, president of prime minister of India, but everyone has 24 hours. But they have the number of schedules they are succeeding, but some people they are remaining as failure. So it's very important. Time management is those who knows the time management, they will succeed in their life. They remain as successful people. Time is very precious. So the objectives of this class we are going to discuss. Understand the concept of management of time. How we have to be uh, use the manage the time management. Next, make the best use of time. The available time you have to use in a best way. So everyone has 24 hours, but we have to use in a properly without wasting unnecessary things. Here, the time management. Time is a resource which must be allocated optimally to gain maximum advantage. Time is a resource, say resource which must be allocated optimally to gain maximum advantage. We have to be gain the maximum advantage. So this we have to be used in the maximum optimum level. Gain the advantage from our time within the time. Time management refers to the way that organize and plan how long you spend on specific activities. It is setting priorities, taking charge of the situation, and time of utilization. Time management refers to the way that you organize, how you organize. It denotes that how you are using effectively your time, how you are planning effectively, how long you use properly, how long you spend your time in specific activities. It's a setting priorities and taking charge of the situation. We have some priorities and some sort of charges, situations, time to utilize. Choosing priorities may not be easy. The day-to-day life, which is important, which is not important, is not so easy. Prioritizing is not so easy, but we have to be prioritize the situations. However, you need to organize your personal time table with a view to maximizing your creative output of each working day. Each day we have 24 hours. But with the available time, we have to use maximum, a creative way. So it's need to be organized in a personal timetable. Everyone should make its timetable, the personal timetable according to their schedule. We have to use. Here, I came to see so many successful people. They use the time indicators and the reminders, and they used to maintain one notepad. They used to write the whatever the things they have to going to be do in the day. They'll check they'll check the checklist whether they are completed the things or not. This is the way to success. The successful people then maintain timetable in day-to-day life. Every day they will check their timetable. That people will be remain a success. They will be remain as successful people, or else you will that time will be spent lavishly. That's very important. Time management. I have seen the successful many instances. The significance of the time management. The significance of time management. We have to be use that. How we have to be use the time effectively. The significance of time management very important aspect in the time management part. So very evolving to globalization nowadays. Uh, Wherever we go, that is a global village. The globalization. Time is also considered globalization. Time is also considered as one of the prime investment factors. Time is also considered is one of the prime invest factors. It's very important. Now people we have to invest the time. Now investing time is also one sort of investment for the success. The globalization time is very valuable, very valuable. The business tycoons like Birla, Tata, Birla, and Bill Gates, that such people they use their time very effective manner. Their time is very precious. With minute to minute, they'll check their time. They use in the right way, in the right direction, right manner. In terms of day-to-day economic life, time is simply money now. Now time is equally worth of money. I would like to mention one example here. Bill Gates, their his income is more than 2,000 for the second his income is. So if he may last the 2,000, he doesn't bother about that, but he uses his time every second as in a optimum level, proper level. So every time is every minute is second also very valuable in the economic sense of the business tycoons and some people, organizations. Time is simply money, simple money. Those who invest the time, they will earn the money. Nowadays, we the doctors work for 10 hours or 8 hours, but they gain money. The marketing executives work for 5 hours or 10 hours. They gain money. It's equal to 10 hours equal to their salary. And some people teachers may teach for some hours. Guest faculty may teach 1 hour. So 1 hour is worth is maybe 5,000 or 10,000. It means time is money, simply money. Every day, a delay eventually. Every delay eventually means loss of money. Sometimes we delay time, it means loss of money also. We should not delay, we should not waste our time. The managing time effectively is important to manage both personal and professional lives also. How to we use the time in a right way, effective manner in a personal life also, as well as we have to be use the time in professional life also in effective, as both of infringe both a personal life as both of infringe upon one another. So it's very important. We have to invest some sort of time, some time for the family and as well as professional lives also. Both is equal. The fringe of upon is one another. Spending a little time learning about time management. Spending a little time, we have to spend some time learning about time management, how you are managing time, how effectively we are managing time. This is very important. Learning time is very important. We should know the importance of time, which is important, which is most important, which is urgent, which is not important. So we should know, everyone should know the importance of time, the value of time. We should use some sort of techniques to using our time will have use benefits now and throughout the career. If we use in a effective way our time, we have a number of benefits. There are use benefits we have. Much benefits we have to with those we have to use that using in an effective way. Our career will be prosper. The professional life will be in prosper. We are in good position. The personal life also have spend some time with family, children. This is very important to be mold their career. To spending the time is very important. Managing time. So managing effective is not so easy. It's not to as it's a day to day is life very important. So every person has in a day 84,600 seconds are Every second is very, very important. Here I would like to uh, discuss strategies and priorities. Before that, I would like to mention the significance of time management. Here, I would like to mention about one small story about the one person, businessman. One a business person wants to be utilize his time. He wants to lead his time happily after earning money. After earning some money, full sufficient money, or later he wants to be enjoy his life. So the entire time he was spent for his business, and he was gained lot of money. So here one day, eventually, one goddess of he grown up very much. He doesn't enjoy anything. So one day the goddess of death came to near to him, asked him to call, come, your time is over. That time he was realized, oh, my time is over. I spent my entire time. I didn't spend enjoying. I didn't spend with my family. So I spend entire time for only for earning money, my business. So I'm sorry. So immediately he realized that he was given offer to goddess of death. Small story and fiction story. I'm telling that. Is offered some money. What is the offer maybe? So please take goddess death. Take some money plus leave me. No. Your time is over. Goddess of death. Goddess told to him, no, your time is over. Next, he offered more than half of the money. Half of the money. No, your time is over. At least he offered, he take me 75% of his wealth. Please let me live happy with my family, my children. No, your time is over. Finally asked, please give me 1 minute time. Goddess of death accepted. I want to give a message to my family and my friends. Time is very precious. Use it in an effective way, in a proper way. Enjoy it. Time is very precious. Utilize in a proper way. You have to be utilize effective way. You have to enjoy it. He has written the note to his family members and friends. So time is very, very precious according to this businessman. Time is very valuable than the life sometimes. But we have to use. So strategies to be priorities. Prioritization is the ability to make the best. What is best we have to do? The most effective use of your time, ability, and the resources, as well as those of your team. When you feel work is never ending at this time, is at a premium. Prioritization is what will help you spend your time wisely and move forward on the goals that are the most important. In many cases, we are making the decision regarding what you work on the first when many things seem important. Prioritizing is ability. It's not so easy. It's a kind of ability. Make use the best, most effective way of the time. Ability and the resources as well as use of the time. When you feel work is never ending at this time. When you work never ending at this time, it's a premium level. Prioritization is what will help you. Spend your time wisely and move forward. Prioritization is what will help you. Spend your time wisely and move forward on the goals that are the most important. Many cases you have to remember it. Spend your time wisely. You have to use our time wisely. You have to use our time wisely. It's very, very important. So it's a premium quality of the person. Make decisions regarding you, how will you are going to be use the time. So here are some things are is going to be strategies. What are the strategies you have? Know how to spend your time. Know how to spend your time. Set prioritize. Know how we have to be time. I have a time 24 hours. Today I have 24 hours time. How I have to use in optimum level. You have to know how you are going to use. Know to spend to your time. Set priorities. What is good, what is bad. You have to. It's my important work. It's not important. It's very, very important. It's urgent work. You should have priorities. Or else, without having priority, I think you will time will be spent lavishly. Without that, maybe like this business person. The business person, how he spent? Only spent only for earning money, but it doesn't bother about his enjoy about the family and everything. Finally, he was uh, exploit. He was dead without having any kind of happy. So use planning a tool. How you are going to be planned. Get organized. How you are going to be organized. How you have to check periodically how you are going to be organized. What's my time? How I have to start? How I have to go? I have to be do? Which time I have to wake up? Which time I have to have my lunch? Where, which time I have to complete my business task? Which time I have to complete my class work? Which time I have to work as homework? But what's time, convenient time? This, how much time you are going to spend, you should have your own slats out. The way to get you how to organize. Schedule your time priority proprietely. So some people they keep the make plan, but they never follow the timetable. They people they want to read for 16 hours per day, but they have but that the type of candidates never read 6 hours at least. So see, if you schedule, you have to be appropriate it. You have to implement it. You have to be think whether it is a possible to implement or not. So you should have the leisure time sometimes maybe. You should have the leisure time. But you have to lose time also important. If you are able to read 5 hours, but you make the 4 hours at least. But 1 hour lose time, but maybe nothing to happen. We should not that should not be hamper anything. Time management is very important. So get help from others to finish your task, to finish your goal. If anytime if it requires, you have to be seek the help from your friends, relatives, and family persons. It's also important to be use your time. If you are doing work, if you have any doubts, to clarify, seek the help from your friends or teachers also. This is important. Take help from others. Stop the procrastinating. Procrastination is the biggest disease. Procrastination is means postponement. This is the biggest disease. Only here I would like to mention one more famous example. Our world famous dramatic Shakespeare work Hamlet. That Hamlet character is he always procrastinated. Everything is postponed. Everything is postponed. Finally, he remained. He has a one kind of sort of thinking to be, not to be, whether I do or not. No proper thinking, but he go on procrastinating. He doesn't have any proper decision making power. Finally, he was died. Like we should not be like Hamlet or like as a business person. We should be take help from anytime if we are getting difficult to implement our complete our task, but you should not postpone it. Manage your uh, manage your time. Manage your time. So manage extended time wasters. Manage external time wasters. How to be, what are the time wasters are there? Some people they use spend a lot of time with watching TV, chatting in mobile, chatting with friends. So we have to be think of it. We have to think of it. Stop procrastinating. Manage external time wasters. So avoid multitasking. Avoid times we should not be possible. some people, I think, you giving appointment for one person and at a time for the other same time for other persons. I think we may blame also. We cannot manage the time. So time wasters we should not. We have to be avoid unnecessary time wasters, chatting or maybe roaming on the road and watching TV, unnecessary serials. These are all the many things are there. So it's very very important to avoid the multitasking. Whatever you do, that work, concentrate on it. Stay healthy. First of all, is very important. If you are healthy, you can manage your time. Or else, if you not be healthy, you should not implement. You should not follow your timetable as per your timetable daily plan. So be healthy, be stay healthy, and then you can implement. Next, overcoming some barriers. We have some barriers while implementing time management. There are a number of barriers are there, but one by one. Telephone interruptions. We have to keep the. Now I am a little bit interruption. I have to be should keep my mobile disturbed mode, not to disturb mode, but it's a disturb. Telephone interruptions also we have to avoid. We have to keep in silent or switch off while you are constantly doing work. Lack of priorities. You prioritize it. You should not, which is good, which is not bad. Attending parties or reading exam, preparing examination, which is important. Really preparing examination is very very important. Personal disorganization also is very very important. Personal disorganization. We have the many persons they never unable to maintain their time. So attempting too much. So you feel always you doing the many things. Meeting the friends too much is nothing. It is a waste of time. Ineffective delegation. Ineffective delegation is very very important. While you are delegating, while you are representing, so delegation is very very important. Ineffective delegation is a cause of many things. Unclear communication. Unclear communication is very very. You should be clear about your communication. These are the one kind of barrier. Should overcome it. Ineffective delegation also is a barrier. Attempting too much is also barrier. Personal disorganization is also. Lack of priorities also. Telephone interruption also is a very barrier. Procrastination. Procrastination also is a barrier. Everyone go on procrastinate doing some working. Indecision making. Indecision making also it's also a barrier. Inadequate or inaccurate information. Without knowing the sufficient information, why you attend anything, any kind of work. But you have to be take the sufficient information to be work properly. So inability to say no. So this is one kind of some people maybe embarrass you to do getting some benefits from you, but learn how to say no. It's very very important. So techniques now people the society may be very very say biased or fair. So they sometimes those who feel good and innocent, they wanted to read from something, they wanted to expect something. So sometimes people, you are preparing examination, you have tomorrow examination, one of your friends asked you to come, can you go for movie, any movie? So is it what how that you feel embarrassing, your best friend asked you, offered, but you should say no, why? Because I have examination tomorrow. So this is a very very important. So say to learn how to say no is a very very good quality. So confused authority also is very very important. Sometimes who is the author, who is higher official, but how to whom I have to answer. This is but you have to decide where who is the upper position, to whom we have to answer. That's important. There are many sides of many organizations, leaderships also may be so problematic. Dreaming also very very problem. There's it's a time waste, ineffective management is a barrier, inability also. The focused authority is a confused authority also is a barrier. Worry about the future, it's nothing is a barrier. Nothing to worry about. Lack of discipline also a barrier. Indecisiveness also a barrier. Delayed information also a barrier. So these are the many barriers. Lack of discipline, but you should be disciplined, and drop is very very important. So now lack of discipline, we learn the discipline. Now time waste stealers also. There are many time stealers are there, time wasters. There are nowadays everyone feels how where the time we are wasting time, how we have to manage time. Now, can we think once the least of the time is stealers, time wasters, cell phone. The biggest time stealer is time waster is cell phone. Now everyone, a kid to the old age person is they're spending always with cell phone. The kids are spending with for games or something. Something ladies are spending for serials. But cell phone is the biggest time waster for the everyone, time stealer. So use it is. I'm not suggesting anyone. Every is to, but use in a judicious way. Use in a judicious way, which is the wherever you have need, you have to be there. You have to be unnecessary phone calls, receiving phone calls, and making phone calls. This is a time waster. It's the biggest time stealer. You have to be think of it. Next, chatting with the friends also, it's a very time waster. With always unnecessary time waster. How are you? Have you had lunch? What's your curry? What time did you get up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What is this silly? Why we are wasting our time? Time is very precious. We cannot get it back. So chatting with friends, whether it is you to restrict your time, restrict your time. You whether where you are make your plan, where you are wasting time is you check yourself. So this is very important. Next, internet chatting also is the biggest time stealer. The people are spending always internet, social media, the chatting, sending mails, receiving mails unnecessary. These are all WhatsApp, Twitch, how many, whatever the TikTok, whatever the so many social networks are there, they are using unnecessary. They are using with the time weighing. It's a waste of time. So computer games also biggest time waster for the students. Small kids, the baby, 6 months baby to 1 year baby, the parents are habituating to make them happy to her, make them happy to her. She has to be. Now we offer now and then phone with the keeping games also. So internet computer game is a very important time waster, time stealer. You have to avoid. Many people they are wasting the time playing PUBG and so many some sort of games are there. I don't know what are they, but they are wasting time, spending hours together. They are losing their lives. They are spoiling their lives. How without losing, without having sufficient sound sleep, they are making mad also some people. So the youth are spoiling their lives with some sort of computer games. Watching TV hours together. Whenever you need, you should watch it. Or else, why we have to watch hours together? What benefits we will get? Whether if we while watching any news or something, whatever you get a comedy, the type getting enjoyment, entertainment, or songs, that's enough. The persons I think we have seen in our day-to-day life, morning to evening, 5 o'clock to night, 1 o'clock. What's why? Where we are going? How we are wasting our time, the precious time, the people, how they are wasting hours of lakhs of crores of hours, work hours are wasting in our India. The lot of the working people, more than 60 to 70 crores people we have, out of 130 above crores, 130 population. But so what's our working? How many are we working? Remaining people are there simply they are sitting and eating. They don't bother about their life, their families, and they are simply watching TVs, watching games, computer games, internet chatting, chatting with friends, cell phone. These how unnecessary making phone calls at the same. How what is happening? How if you see think about the developed countries like Japan, Germany, the people how they spend their time will be with the production side, or else they spend their time with family. Don't bother about this silly the wastage time. Watching movies, why watching movies go on together. They sing. Some people I came to see. Boy, person is saying that I have seen your movie 5 times. How why we have to see 5 times? How many hours we wasted for that movie, watching movie? The first unnecessary movie, the waste. If that is any informative movie or entertainment movie, once or twice when you are exhausted to getting relief, now it's our entertainment purpose is okay. The whatever the movie came, the people youth are affectionate to watch the movie. How where we are, that's their business, they tempt you to watch the movies, the teasers, how what they provide. Simply they are there, the job is that they are simply the heroes and heroine, directors, producers, their job is to produce movies and they act, that's releasing, that is. But our job is to be our profession, which is feeding us, how we have to feed our future life, how to design our life, how we have to be think of it, our life future perspectives are very very important. Shopping, the people like to go on with a crazy way, the youth are, what's your hobby? My hobby is shopping. How that spending hours time for spending. Some people are saying silly, the I used to say to purchase a pin, they spend for 1 hour 2 hours. What is that silly thing? So earring, purpose purchasing a earband for 1 hour 2 hours, how it is shopping. Some people they are spending, it's a waste of time. Some people, I think, of course, are rich people, they are spending time and as well as money also. So they are going to be thrown into be debits sometimes. A waste of time. Shopping, watching movies, sightseeing. Some people they're going, what's your hobby? My hobby sightseeing. They see this way hours, that's area. Some people for years yearly once or twice or something to get entertainment with the family or friends. Okay, but every day I'm going for sightseeing. What is the youth? With the short period we can cover the many things or many areas to be seen. Like daydreaming, some people they feel that, oh, my dream is stealer. It's a daydreaming. That's the biggest time killing. Daydreaming, they imagine like the Chiranjeevi, Prabhas, Allu Arjun. So what's that? The daydreaming is a time stealing. Sightseeing is time stealing. Shopping is time wasting. Watching is movies also time stealer. Watching TV. Next, drop in visitor. If a visitor comes to our home, I think he comes and this is busy. Problems coming and going. Also, I will drop you at your bus stand. I will drop at your home. I will drop at your Hyderabad. What's that silly? That's a visitor. They are dropping and visiting the good places. If it is required, it is important. You should prioritize the time. You can also, but you should know the time sense, whether it is I will drop or visiting. Unnecessary visiting for the friends, families. Unscheduled meetings also is a waste of time. If you are going for on the way or working for walking, someone when you are call him to work, your walking will come completes and your chart will be completes. But you sitting aside and meeting 1 hour 2 hours and later after your chat walking, how much time you are wasting. So unnecessary scheduling is very very waste thing. The poor communication skills also time stealers. Without knowing, I think sometimes we have to be next. Okay, next time quadrant. Okay, right. Time quadrant is I'm going to discuss time quadrant. Time quadrant is everyone has okay. Sir, 33 minutes. Okay. Time quadrant is a quadrant. What do you mean by quadrant? The table is a table shows the importance of time. Everything you do in life can be classified by its urgency is important. Everything urgency is important. Urgent or not urgent, we should classify, and by its importance, important, not important, urgent and not urgent, important or not important. We often spend our lives focused on the urgent things instead of the important things, which is urgent and which is important. Urgent is rather than the important. So we have to attend the work for urgent rather than the important work. Seeing friends, for example, seeing mother and father, or seeing someone in the hospital, important maybe. But attending examination is urgent. Paying examination fees is urgent. Or attending a marriage if your best friends may be important, may not be important sometimes. So important is you should focus on it, the urgent instead of not, which is not important. Paying examination fee. We often spend our lives focused on the urgent things instead of important things. It is extremely important to ask yourself, am I doing this because it is truly important? Am I doing this because it is truly important? It's very, very important. Or am I doing this because it is urgent? It is a very, very important. You can do it. It's urgent. You have to do it. Things should not be ignored. Some people, I think, the important works also they ignored in their day-to-day life. Though their examination is hall ticket is appearing, they doesn't bother about. They don't bother about the preparation. How? They don't bother about that. Ignored some people. However, the more time you can spend on the non-urgent things, important things, the less crisis and emergencies you will experience. You will get the crisis, and as well as emergency things also you are going to be happen. If you spend for urgent things, important things, you doesn't bother. Unimportant things, not urgent things, if you attend, in future you are going to be get the crisis of time, crisis, emergencies also you are going to be explained. So here quadrant 1 I would like to tell is a quadrant means quarter, time quadrant is a part of you can see important or the urgent I would like to tell like urgent things, crisis and emergencies are important and urgent. Quadrant 1 is important and urgent. Crisis is happened. The pandemic, corona pandemic, there's expanding it. It's crisis. Emergency. One person is affecting, suffering from oxygen is emergency. So it's a important quadrant 1. Next is attending examination and going starting for examination is emergency and important also. Quadrant 2, important but not urgent. Making phone calls parents to is important. Chatting with them, but not urgent. You can leisure time you can make phone calls to your parents, family members. So seeing friends maybe sometimes, but it's not urgent. Prevention, urgent and prevention also, and planning and improvement. Prevention, planning and improvements, that's planning. So quadrant 3 is not important but urgent. Sorted but urgent. Some things, some quadrant like interruptions and busy work. Sorry, sometimes. So we have to be give the less priority for important but not urgent things. Not important, not urgent things we have to be share less time work. The quadrant 4 not important and not urgent. Quarter again, you should not important. Watching movies or something, sometimes entertainments we maybe get it. Chatting and making and receiving unnecessary phone calls or social media is a time waster. Not important, urgent and time waster. So next time management skills we have to be. If you think about it, time management, how we have to manage the time. Time management skills we have. Carry a schedule and record all your thoughts. Everyone should carry your schedule in your keep in your package and record all your thoughts. Conversations and activities for a week. What are the to whom you are going to be meet? Within 1 week you have to take down on a schedule. This week, what I have to do in this week. This will help you to be understand how much you can get done. This will help you. This is very time schedule will help us and get everyone. It's not for students. Everyone in the time important time is importance time is everyone's life. Business person and officers, they have to manage it. It will help us to understand Now, how much time you are wasting, how much time you are getting during the course of day, where your precious time, your moments are going, precious time you are wasting. You will see how much time is accurately spent in the proper way. So if you maintain the time schedule, you should if you check once after a day, of the day after to next day, you can check how much you are preciously are using your time, where you are spending, so you can check. It's like a guide. So better to carry a schedule and record your thoughts and times, conversations for a week. Next, any activity or conversation that's important to your success. Any activity, conversation is very very important. I should have a time assignment also. If I wanted to complete my sometime my diploma of 4 years or with the percentage. I wanted to come my research program with 3 years, 3 years. That's okay. Time assignment. You have to stick on it and you have to complete this to time management. This time management. So you have to stick on it. Plan to spend at least 50% of your time. Plan to spend at least 50% of time engaged in the thoughts. Plan to spend at least 50% of time engaged in thoughts. How where I have to spend. How where I have to, at least if you can able to schedule a time 50%, you will be successful person. Your time, that thoughts and activities, conversations that produce most of the results. Okay, thoughts, activities, conversation, and produce most of your results. So this will be schedule time for interruptions. If you have a schedule, I think you can overcome that interruptions also. Plan at least 50% time. If a person has able to work for 15 hours or 10 hours, at least you should make schedule 5 hours per time. So that's why you have to be think of it management skills also. Okay, time management skills. Take the first 30 minutes of every day to plan your day. First time you have to spend 30 minutes to plan, to make purpose plan. Take 5 minutes before call or a task to decide what result you want to attain. For 50 some time task, that 5 minutes to doing before that. That's release the time for it. Put up do not disturb sign when you absolutely have to get work done. One, really, if you are concentrating on class, you keep your mobile or something, do not disturb mode. Absolutely, do not keep. You keep the signboard. Do not disturb signboard while you are concentrating and preparing for it. Or else your friends or neighbors or the family members may disturb you. Your time may waste. Your time, they may waste your time. So practice not answering the phone just because it is ringing, and email just because they show up. Just some phone mobiles you may get phone calls, unnecessary things. Should not, don't, need not answer at the time. It's ringing, and emails, just they can send the emails, ask them to ask them to ring next, or you can ask them to send mails. So it's enough. Block out other distractions like Facebook and other forms of social media. Now youth and everyone, the old age are 5 years kid to 90 years or 80 years old man, they're using social media, Facebook and WhatsApp. The Facebook, but it's a waste of time. What will you get a Facebook? What sort of benefits you get for your future? So it's a high here. I would like to mention one famous person's opinion on social media, Facebook. He was you know there is a popular name J.D. Lakshminarayan is joint director for CBI, and he was took voluntary retirement from IPS. So CBI person, yeah, one of this person, one of the journalist asked him, one person asked him, "Sir, do you have Facebook account?" Simply laughed at him. "No, I have a face and I keep a book in front of me. I don't want to waste my time with Facebook." Forms of social media, any sort of social media. Of course, sometimes it may use, but we should not spare any unnecessary valuable time. So it's a very biggest distraction and black our time. So better to minimize, better to avoid social media. Next, different time management skills. So I would like to say, as you become more aware of the distractions, already interruptions today, you also become more aware of the amount of the time you are wasting time. This is feel will serve the motivation. You are wasting time. It's very very important. Motivation important. If you maintain that one kind of schedule, today you are wasted 4 hours or 2 hours, 3 hours. Continue trying eliminate the interruptions. Unless an interruptions, you can avoid it. Set goals. First of all, you should every person have set student should set goals, or every adult, every person, a business person, or everyone need a goal first. They have to set a goal, proper goal. Allow yourself to be dream. How you have to be going to achieve the dream. So integrate the efficient organization tools. You have to be maintained with efficient organization. Incorporate efficient study strategies. Okay, you should do not edit or alter your goals. First, if you fix one's goals, you should not alter it. You must achieve the perfection first of all. Try to achieve the perfection is important. If you maintain effectively, or if you maintain perfection, you will be the grown and you will be successful person in the life. Maintenance of the status quo is an acceptable goal for a period of time. You have to maintain the status quo. Same situation. Achievement of goals is just a matter of luck. It's a wrong method. So, but you should have disadvantage of time management skills. Reduce stress. Advantage. I would like to mention advantage of time management skills. There are many advantages are there. Reduce stress. If you may prepare a schedule, if you manage your time, your stress will be reduced. Unnecessary stress you should not get. Additional time to be dedicated to ask tasks that you truly need to be work on yourself. Practicing the skill of effective delegation is also important. Opportunity to learn something new is very very important. You learn something, practice effective delegation, and chance to be feel useful and part of the team. Chance to be show that they cannot do and earn accolades of the achievement. Having more one person who works how to perform the given task. Adding a new perspective for a situation is also one advantage. The having employees that are less stressed due to sharing the work also important. Chance to show these are all the advantages, and some disadvantages also there. Deadlines also there, some deadlines to meet. Care about deadlines. Work in a cushion. Simply you sit a place and do this task. Have a clear outcome. Break down the project. Focus on the first step. Negotiate and meet a second deadline. Learn from mistakes is very very time management. Don't overcommit for any person with much block of adequate time, also unnecessary time you have block of it. Communicate with each step important. The golden gift is a story is now we are mentioned the story of about the person who is a business person. The time is the precious time, so you have to use in an effective manner. How a business person did a business, and how he wasted his entire time, and only where spend time for life. So friends, time is precious and you must utilize in the right way. Make a schedule and try to implement to be success. Thank you for watching my class. Thank you very much for this. Okay, thank you very much.